Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get an exclusive Hollister promo code that saves you money on your Hollister order, for free. If you shop at Hollister, this is the easiest way to unlock discounts fast. Step-by-step guide. Grab your mobile phone. It works on both iPhone and Android. Go to the website linked in the pinned comment and description. In the search bar, type Hollister. Click on Hollister, scroll down, and you'll see the available promo codes. Hit the Show Coupon button to reveal your personal Hollister promo code. These Hollister promo codes are limited, so make sure you unlock your code quickly before it expires. Once you claim your personal code, it's reserved for you and can't be taken by others. For the direct link and full instructions, check the pinned comment below. I've explained exactly where to get your Hollister promo code so you can start saving money today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future promo codes, discounts, and shopping hacks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your Hollister savings.